This is the original version of RSI, the RSI that probably you know, but this one is a new version of RSI that is built based on advanced calculations. To have it on your chart, you just need to click on indicators and search machine learning RSI, this one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Bull Vision. Alright, this is the RSI, and as you can see, it is added here below the chart. This new RSI is built based on a machine learning algorithm, and because of this, it has enhanced sensitivity and responsiveness so it can adapt to market condition in real time. For this purpose, it uses a multi-feature similarity analysis based on RSI level, RSI momentum, volatility, linear regression slope, and price momentum. And finally, it also applies another layer of smoothing, which by default is set at Coleman moving average. I recommend to keep this option on because it helps you to have a better visual clarity and to reduce the noises in high frequency conditions. You have three options for this, which Coleman moving average is the best of them for this purpose of additional smoothing to reduce the noises. Here for RSI calculations, it also applies a moving average, which by default is set at ALMA, which is Arnold-Ligox moving average, which is a perfect choice among other types of moving averages here because ALMA is a type of moving average which reduces the lag and increases the responsiveness while the smoothness of the moving average is maintained. So it has the ability to effectively filter out the market noises. And here you just make sure that KNN machine learning is enabled. So the indicator will use the machine learning algorithm to learn from the data and adapt to market condition. When you compare this new RSI with the original one, you can clearly see that this new RSI has considerably less noises, and this helps you to better take your trading decisions or manage your open positions. Alright, now let's see how we can use this new RSI for making trading decisions. RSI is scaled from 0 to 100, and we have three important levels in this range. We have the center line at 50, we have overbought at 70, and oversold at 30. And these levels helps us to effectively analyze the market conditions. If RSI line is above 70, like for example here, it is considered overbought, meaning that the prior advancing of the price is weakening. So reversal of the price is expected to happen. Sometimes we have a complete reversal, and sometimes the overbought reading, there is just a pullback, which is in the form of a short movement of the price within the longer term trend. And in other times, the price may go to a trading range. So when we have overbought reading of RSI, it only means that the prior trend is weakening, and depending on the situation of the market, we can have three possibilities. We can have a reversal, or we can have a range market, or we can just have a pullback and then again advancing of the price. On the other hand, when RSI line is below 30, the market is considered oversold, and similarly here, this is only meaning that the prior declining of the price is weakening, and depending on the market condition, we can have three possibilities. We can have a complete reversal to an uptrend like this case here, or we can have only a pullback and then again declining of the price, or in another possibility the market can go to a trading range before the market establishes a new trend. So any trading decisions regarding reversal of the price based on overbought or oversold reading of RSI need more confirmation, because as I said, you can just have a pullback or the market may go to a trading range, not necessarily an instant reversal like this one. Alright, the position of RSI line regarding the center line can help us with identifying trends. When RSI line is above 50, the market is trending up, and when RSI line is below 50, the market is trending down. In downtrends, you can expect pullbacks up to 60 level, and in uptrends, you can expect pullbacks down to 40 level. The center line crossovers can provide you good trading opportunities like this bullish center line crossover here, or this bearish center line crossover here, but you can also have many false signals in the pullbacks, or especially during range markets. So if you want to take center line crossovers of RSI for buy sell signals, you need more confirmation that a reversal is really happening regarding the center line of RSI. It's better to just focus on trend identification, and then by the help of another indicator you can look for buy sell signals. For example, when RSI is above the center line, which shows uptrend in the market, then you look for long position position opportunities in this situation. And on the other hand, when RSI line is below the center line, which shows downtrend in the market, then you look for short position opportunities in the direction of the downtrend. Alright, the next use case of RSI is divergence, which helps in spotting reversal signals. Divergence happens when the price and RSI don't agree on the same direction. For example, here you can see that the price made lower low, but RSI made higher low, and this is called bullish divergence, and it shows that downside momentum is weakening and the upside momentum is gaining strength. And this is just happening after this oversold reading of RSI, as you can see. When we have this situation, this gives the possibility that we may have a reversal to an uptrend. Please pay attention that after a bullish divergence, you may only have a pullback and then further declining of the price. So you need more confirmation that a reversal is really happening in the market with higher probability. The best confirmation is price action analysis. In the divergence pattern here, between the two lows, here we have a swing high, which we mark this high and we wait for a candle to be closed above this high. When this happened, we have more probability that a reversal is happening in the market. On the other hand, when price makes higher high but RSI makes lower high, this is a bearish divergence, and it shows that the upside momentum is weakening and the downside momentum is gaining strength. Similarly here, we mark the low of the pattern and we wait for a candle to be closed below this low. When this happened, we have more probability that a reversal is happening in the market. RSI is one of the best and most popular indicator that many traders use it in their trading strategies. If you use RSI, I recommend to try this one because this new version of RSI performs better than the original version of RSI. The important point is that you should never take your trading decisions only based on this RSI, and you must use it in conjunction with other indicators or aspects of technical analysis to further confirm your trading decisions. Please pay attention that no indicator or trading strategy can give you 100% guaranteed signals. This is not possible, and losing positions are always part of the game, and you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategies that you can use. By the help of this risk management strategy, your position size is calculated in a way that in case if the market goes against your position and hitting your stop loss, you will only lose 1% of your trading account. For example, if you have a $10,000 trading account, your loss will be only $100, which is 1% of your trading account. This risk management strategy helps you to minimize your losing trades as much as possible, and this will help you to effectively protect your trading account from falling significantly. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.